Amwachibi mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam so yadani te kutegwa say nini nkranhye nsema enenso odi abrede edu so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne todwa wo mu bi ya wo betini ndc amanyoko no se wo mu makwan ne na chena ma obi emehunehuna won wa abato mu nti won wani da ho sabo wo yede ho nsam no so ebebro enura won ye kire ya wo ye ne nipa miensa bi ye ne mo hu nti ye kire won enso ne ya make say ya ma won mu bill eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de so mo sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live or YouTube Adom TV 2 call Go TV 119 DSTV 280 or Facebook /Adom TV extra call adomonline.com sansem we ni bebre ka ho so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti said 70 chemu ankasa etie oti regional chairman my NDC ono anso na dean of chairman ora John Japan Kujo ode to Ghana fo nyina nim se NDC amanyoko no ntra ho nyenhwe han ma bato mu nuamu bia enkoso enti wode eto obi bia nim ne wo se wo ye bia ma ba no mu da ho de electoral commission won mo nye kase no edeba
ye ne isi akasa ya catch on sem from so bebre aba sa processes ya ye ni nyina and even the worst of it ne transfer of goods ni process nyama I cost ya catch on so omo hwe ni enye auditing proper for auditing up auditor ebe magana fo nyina ani agi atum se sa register ye de koto aba we no eye credible eye good register obiara enya ho asem biara nka ya can easy no be can say what if our evidence bra evidence how many times is evidence bra that evidence are so many times and now you can say you hard drive of information now on change say be almost for my evidence be no more and anything so easy my forensic auditors they am sure say register now e won register to abane e obi diso obi luzo onya ho asem biara nka
amanyoko ye chitafo de won krata ekoto abato commission enim na EC officer ogina asoye nanemu eje won krata editu dwase ehun behia pa se amanyoko awodo ene abato commission be ye adwuma bom se be ye oman Ghana nso benya so mfaso.
I want to assure you that we have recognized the importance of the issues that you have raised and will forward it to the chairperson for further consideration. Let us continue to work together in the interest of Mother Ghana and for the democracy that we all cherish.
And what the NDC for that war enough is enough demonstration no emunti. Na enumo no enipa miensa bi kwaye niema bi ense emfata wokumase ama make us say yekire won. Omo ejina no aso bo ema womo ebill. The course was asante e NDC demonstration ase no eni.
Police for ache ye nipa miensa o maka chense o mo ejo o me ka se ko mo enja o mo ka ye ni o mo beda ha made ache me ka so se ko mo enja ye ko fo na ka ni o mo beda ha made ache no kra o mo ja o mo ama ma de ekofie ye do bibia se obi a wa se ne mre wo NDC hu don drama ni mahama ho no ye de yakopon do bibia se na ye ka se battle na ye NDC ko the battle has just begun. Yeah, the battle has just begun, and inshallah 2024 7th 9th now yes what Excellency Kwame Dramani Mahama as the next president of the Republic of Ghana.
Chair the my electoral commission yes Samuel Tete na was say the NDC amanyoko no dia bra wo mo efa bato din enwomemo no ombehwe na won mo ayene ese fata wo mo prince so siedu etwaso
baby amigina na electoral commission wo mo headquarters e won kran National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no e de wo mo demonstration chinchirincha wo mo eyeye efa obra sport efa eye adabraka eba trade union congress e kom ra shebedwem no womo de aba na wieye e wa ha na bra womo ebepie mu e wa ha no eye national chairman ema amanyoko no esiedu nketia e de to electoral commission enim se enkrata womo e de momo yi womo enhwe se womo ebeye audit e de afa voter register no womo nso ye wi a womo enhwe se womo de be da montin so ama omanfo ehu brofo kasem publication obi ehu de e course so abra wakasa no mientie nsem odi tu dwa na ebi.
Permit an independent forensic audit of the voters register and the commission's IT systems, which we suspect have been seriously compromised. Because we have seen actions, they have sworn by the gods of Ghana to us that those actions can never happen behind our backs. But they themselves have attested to the fact that those very actions have taken place through manipulation of their system.
Deputy Chair Emma Aye Commission no Samotete a ono nso na hwe operation so edi to dwa se ensem a womo akuche edi egu nkrata so edi ababe ma omo no womo nso womo behwe na womo etuso anamo.
On behalf of the commission, I will receive your petition and I will assure you that your petition will be presented to the commission for consideration.
No, na womo yes aye kire no na won kran ha say no Kwame Nkrumah circle wura mu de fa obra sport e de call parliament ani EC atena ya kase no etwaso yi.
Ne NDC amanyokuo no oye kire a woye edete ntasukoko e kire asoye a wo hwe eye oman yi abato nsem EC eno oye kire no aba na wieye na nkranmanta mu hanom no wo hye ase edifri obra sport Kwame Nkrumah circle na yebepie mu wa hanom no wo hwe a eye enwura ebiara eniha abo biara enihanom na wo hye adwumade no ase e wa hanom no wo de kopie mu e wo Parliament House wa wo twen kakra no so Adom kase ye kopie mu wo honom no eye demonstrators yi wo ma omuti atuate de kire eye EC no wo mo adi wo mo huni eye pa wo mo free honom so na wo kopie mu e wo EC akache ehon so Adom kase ye kopie mu wo honom no ewura bia eni ho abo ebiara eni ho wo mo anhye tai bia anye fi amfa angu ehonom ba bia enti di Adom kase ye kan se demonstration a ekoso e won kranmanta mu hanom NDC ntasukoko a wo mo etere kire eye electoral commissioner no aba na wieye na ewura biara eni honom a wonom eyeye abo biara eni honom a wonom etoto egu hanom esei kwamnensia amanobo Adom kase
Adom TV Badwam kase na uso ehwe na Ghana National Association of Teachers ena ene wonde to wono achechefo nyina nim se aba ye ba betu e won hwe sa asumdue be ye adwuma General Secretary de makuo no Nat Thomas Musa ene den semi etudwa
Tanko Musa, General Secretary Ghana National Association of Teachers NAT nyamia ye adom mfie nine akwa ba betu yembio se nyame adoma bronya bosome ede toso nson no ye nyina bekwa akoto abato no enipa no doso ma konwane e ba akope mesansa ya konwane e ba akope ntino oba akope ene bedi nkuni and ye pese kan se ekobani den a obi dia banna obi die ena enu ntini se won de obedi nkunim e wo December no won a omutri anye ya won ntimi endi nkunim omomomo de anti omo ho ase
nananum ni adehye ye wo bonsare sekuma wo takwa nsuaye mensin mo sa 2024 abatwe so won beto bi pa no a na won mahu se won kro no mu no niema bi a won mu hia no wonsa aka
mfi be se dun sie ni na kroyi ukomu a wontimi nkasa tetefon so ni nyina ene se network ahodo a ewo kro no mu nyina enye ohino wo bonsawore esikuma eye nanampom kwesi onsemhwefo nhie mu ase a wakasa ene wodi tu dwese
yekuyi ifie ase eto aba achewa since 2008 yewu sisa bia yewu putu bia okwema se ababi aba no oye putu ade amaha o bi ha okroda nkase ana etiti aboblu bi yeye na pese bi sese ana kuwe ya kaga na ho ana yanka udi se kaga na ho dia ende
network yaka wasama kan yenya network na wiase wasisi se wiase ni aye global village wiase ni aboma e akuya ba kope se yeni network dia ene se akuya se no yanka ubi
en wachi kurumafo bi nso ni Adom kase atwetwe nkomo editor Jose asetere mu ne pa bi ebeboa mo won ha wo mo no onum nyina enye bi
na network ni ha no o ha adwin bebre in terms of health service so bani dey bia ye requesting do a ye the network and ye the request because of say network ni ha nti wo be requisition a je say wo town wo kwata krom no akwa koye requisition so ndro ni ye ba ko nye mienu edoso wo ko no wantimi anya e say wo sign back ade kye wo sign ko
yafudua ana ye network because unya baby a obegina near the call yafudua near the call we say baby wo obegina unya network
ya toso na ya boy ransom foforo mu eye nwomasuamu na enei ewo nwomasuamu owiase nyina mu no asesa na eno so aka ho bia ma Ghana ya fa bibra man wona ede wo ho akwakoto eye knowledge and skills bank portal no eso a ya toso emienu ene yenso yede ho hyemu ebie na wabibra man mu nyina no libraries ahodo nimdie mu nyina no baabi baako na yesatimi aboa ma ye ma no enwomasua akwanimu anei ya pa ho tuma kase no edebe
Kanta pesa yedema in school kwala computer labs are yesie across the country for your secondary schools, junior high schools. Yama addition ya kono. I am mre. Ewo baby ti emfa ho baby owo wo memu a. Emfa ho so wo scan na wo scan na wo muniska. Emfa ho se school no eye school agidi and school NGD. Baby awo bi a person sua dia wo memu ha. Once I want network, what device need one person so textbook here we hear Ghana education service maybe was that portal is
and wachi oso afo hwe nwomasuya so Dr. Yoduchum ekere se sisei ensakraya wodo aba nwomasuya so ye no emu
our papa so kan book a while the phone obetimi ade amano no akofo so book no ho no akan owi anu aye book no ho sorry atre wo say book no kenkai no tiase ana wan tiase a afidie na mesa busa me say wan tiase a memo ana okase ania afidie no asa akire no enti wey abefo kwan so Ghana Knowledge and Skills Bank no abefo kwan so a de kira de ye disua de eno enene ebi abepie e wo Ghana ha ya pa ho ntuma ayesra wo for say for Ghana Knowledge and Skills Bank oko Google na utro ho ebetro na ko no oba no ebetimi edi di akwasase na bibi a wo sua di anso anso betimi hu bi na watimi ama adisua na kosropa
ya toso dia na UK aban na UK Minister for Africa ene wama sika $3 million yede ehye kofa ye battery charging network no so emu na atumi aboa ma fango emu ensam so akoyie na emu enye de bewie kire no ebenya nsunsu asobone yapomudin mu kase no etwaso.
What we're doing to sort of commit $3 million to create a first of its kind battery charging network. This pioneering initiative delivered through COFA Technologies and PASH Global will provide a clean alternative to fossil fuel and create many jobs and new business opportunities. Certainly the guys outside and the women outside certainly can see the benefits of this sort of technology in terms of their work and their enterprises.
Also for Shakonia Badin some so our Mangana Mukoko for Siama, a BP Jumandina Sia, which they must say.
If we look at our environment, transport sector contributes almost about 30 to 40% of emission in Ghana. So this sector is very, very important. So if you have a company who is prepared to help her to reduce the decarbonization, to make sure that we decarbonize our environment, I think it's a light-up thing and it's something that we need to support.
NDC amanyoko Franka tuni John Dramani Mahama se ene wo bibia ya to aba no wie na se NDC amanyoko na edi nkunim no obe no so wo mpene no ene ondo oja na magrada no na be sane agu wo so munsam eni.
The people of Ghana are going to decide who their leaders are for the next 4 years. It is not in anybody's hand to say that when the people of Ghana have expressed their will, for that person to say we shall hand over. You don't have that capacity to stand against the people of Ghana when they have said NDC has won the election and you say you won't hand over. My God, thunder will strike you.
And wechi okade to aso se obehwe se na manyoko na chitafo nyina ebema asumdwe ababato yi ababato bremoni abato achi nanso atentere ne die ewo se ka bi wonfo ehwe emane dadie.
The election is going to be peaceful. We are going to do everything in our power to make sure it's peaceful. NDC, we know we're going to win the election. And so we don't want any trouble in the election. Because we know that if the election is free, fair, and peaceful, we are going to win that election. And we're coming back into office because of young people like you. NDC is a nation builder.
Maminyene no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pe ye de se ye da se emrani adaje a bribia de maye anope ade a che bia ye we de bonkrata no ene online de ayensa ka ni die mu a twen ye be si mamienu ye ba ye de no to so.